if you will, spread out payments by making estimated taxes rather than them freaking out and going, oh my gosh, how am I going to come up with $10,000 in January?
Hi, I'm Michelle Voskel. I'm here with Jon Neal. We're with the Neal Group. We are in the accounting and business advisory industry, and we are here today to talk about your year-end resolution, how to wipe out tax stress before January. Jon, why is January such a stressful time for business owners when it comes to taxes?
I think there's a number of reasons, but a lot of it is a sense of helplessness that comes. It's, oh my gosh, taxes are due. Last year was terrible. I didn't do anything this year to help improve the situation. And so they just kind of freeze, and it's a paralysis. We try and help them get unparalyzed, if you will, by talking with them throughout the year and getting them ready for tax time.
So I know how we do it. Can you explain how we do that for them?
Quite a few of our clients we work with throughout the year. So we are on their case, if you will, getting them...
Very true, very true.
Getting them organized, making sure that the bank accounts are reconciled. New clients that we get, we try our best to get them up to date. You've worked on a few clients where we're reconciling 2 years worth of bank statements to get numbers that we can work with. So if they can start early, it helps.
So we spend time with a lot of our clients throughout the year. There are a few clients that we have that come in January, but we also reach out to them in November and December. Can you just go through some of the steps that we use in November and December specifically?
Yeah. I think one of the things that we do with a lot of our clients is just contact them and say, can we see your books? How current are they? If they need help getting them up to date, we'll help them get up to date. Because if we have decent books in November, December, we can do some, I'll call it last minute planning about deferring income or prepaying expenses, or do I really need to buy that piece of machinery that's going to be 3 nanoseconds faster than the one that I have.
Right. So I think you just answered the next topic I was going to bring up, but being proactive and doing tax planning, it does reduce stress for the business owners toward the end of the year. Give me an example of how that's reduced some stress for someone.
When we do the planning throughout the year, our clients kind of know what their tax liability is going to be. So we can plan to, if you will, spread out payments by making estimated taxes rather than them freaking out and going, oh my gosh, how am I going to come up with $10,000 in January?
Mm-hmm. Or even in April.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we do run into the client who does not have their items ready, and then for the next year we plan with them.
Right.
Let's sit down in October and November, and we've just recently done that with a few of our clients.
Yeah. And let's get a system in place for next year so that you don't have the same problems.
Right. So I think you've just touched on it even again. You're way ahead of me this time, but as far as confidence with the Neal Group and heading into tax season, you've been doing this for 40 years, and you've seen a lot of business owners and a lot of people come and go, but what is the most impactful thing that you think the Neal Group has done for our clients, getting ready for January?
I think just working with them throughout the year gives them a sense that they know what's going on, they know that their numbers are good, and there aren't surprises where we go, oops, we forgot this or you forgot that, and now you owe another $20,000 to the IRS. By working with them throughout the year, we can uncover all that stuff.
Is there anything you'd like to add?
Try and keep up to date, keep your records in shape, and things will go a lot smoother.
Great. So that's it for year-end resolution, wiping out tax stress before January.